Hey friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a follow-up on the video I did some months ago about how to clean faucet head. You can check it out here. Shout out to Alexis, one of the viewers here. She gave me a very useful suggestion of a quicker way to clean the faucet head. I tried it and it worked. Yay! So some of the faucets are removable. You simply unscrew it with your hands like so. Try it out too and let me know in the comments if your faucet head is removable from the hose. After you remove the faucet head, what you want to do is to put about 2 tablespoons of vinegar in a bowl, just a small amount to cover the base of the faucet, and let it soak for about 2 hours. This will allow the hot water buildup to soften and will make cleaning easy. In case you have a problem with hot water stains or buildup around your sink faucet, check out this video for a quick tip on how to solve the problem. Now that the faucet head is soaked, clean with a brush and dish soap and rinse thoroughly. Here's the deal. Once every month, make sure you clean under the faucet, guys. This is very important. One of the viewers here, her name is Nicole, shared a story about a family that was constantly getting sick. So they called in a plumber who found an absolutely disgusting aerator. This part of the faucet here, this part almost looked like worms growing on the inside. Ew. And that was the source of their problem. So we have to clean this part of the faucet, guys. Don't miss it out when you're doing your cleaning. The faucet head is all clean. Look at that day and night difference. So for this maintenance cleaning, you don't even have to unscrew your faucet head. Just clean it direct from the hose with just your dish soap and brush. That's it. You will only need to use vinegar if the hard water deposit accumulates again, which can be after 10 months depending on how hard your water is in your area. That's it, friends. My job is done here. It's now your turn to try it out at home. Like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning tips or hacks. This will help the channel to be found by others as well. Thank you for your support. See you on the next one. Bye.